Looking for top-notch garage door solutions in Phoenix? Meet 101 Garage Door Repair. Whether you need a new garage door installation or a quick repair, we've got you covered. Our expert team specializes in everything from replacing broken parts to installing the latest garage door openers. We focus on delivering reliable, fast, and friendly service to keep your home looking sharp and functioning smoothly. Ready to upgrade your residential garage doors? Give us a call for more info and see why we're Phoenix's go-to garage door company.